Hey YouTube, thanks so much for watching my creamy German cucumber salad video. If you like my videos, be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell. A lot of unique recipes coming up in the near future. First, I was slicing 3 medium-sized cucumbers. Just regular field cucumbers. English cucumbers work just as well. Field cucumbers are a bit cheaper in the supermarket. Add it to a large mixing bowl. I'm using 1 medium-sized Vidalia sweet onion, cut it in quarters, and slice. Add to the mixing bowl. A small handful of fresh dill. This is fresh off my plant. Smells so good. Give it a good chop. And add to the bowl. About a teaspoon of sugar. I'm just using 2 packets from a coffee shop, that's how cheap I am. About a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. About a tablespoon of white wine vinegar. About half a cup of sour cream. And about 3 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Season with Himalayan pig salt. Mix all together. Keep it in the refrigerator for about at least an hour. Let it marinate before eating. Have a great day.